All right, this is the Encyclpo 1500 watt smart wall heater. Company sent me this product to check it out and make a video for it, so let's do it. The package arrived safely, all packed in styrofoam, as you would expect. And inside the box, you're going to get the heater itself that measures roughly 20 inches this way, 13 inches this way, and about 3 inches this way. And it weighs in at about 8 pounds, 9 ounces. It has a 3-prong plug cable on it that is about 6 foot long, plenty of length on there. You are going to get a remote control, and you will need to provide the 2 AAA batteries for it. Cool thing, I discovered it was magnetic. You're also going to get a little package with some wall mounting anchors and screws, and of course, the instruction manual, which is pretty easy to read. And lastly, and I think this is really helpful, they have given us a mounting template with a built-in level, and I will show myself mounting it somewhere around here. Speaking of mounting the heater, another thing that I like about this is that it doesn't need to be mounted if you don't want to do that. There are 2 feet on the bottom that flip out. You can set them all the way in like this. When you screw it into the wall, you set them just like that. If you want to use it as a floor mount device, this actually makes it mobile for me because the way the mounting screws work, there's a little space. You can actually unhook this off the wall, flip the feet out, and use it as a floor unit in another room if you wanted to do that. So that's pretty cool. There are 3 ways to use the heater. Actually 4, because they say that it can be used with Alexa, though I do not have that set up. You can control it by touch via the front panel. You can use the remote control, and you can control it via the Smart Life app, and I'll also show that. The app is cool because obviously you can use your phone to turn it on or off remotely or from another room if you wanted to do some preheating before you go to bed. If you are going to control it and set up the app, it only works on a 2.4 gig network. The heat for the unit comes out of the top, and you can definitely feel it coming out of here. When you power the unit down, it takes 99 seconds for it to fully shut down. Maybe you can hear, maybe you can't on my lapel mic. I've got this turned up to a power level of 9, and it is relatively quiet. And it gets more quiet as you turn the levels down, and it's even more quiet in the sleep mode, which I'll show you. And right here on the remote, there's a mute button so you can mute the sound. And if you hold the button down for 5 seconds, it activates a child lock. And there is a 24-hour timer that you can set on here. There are 3 different modes. You've got a rapid heating mode where you can adjust the heat setting from P1 to P9. If you hit the mode again, you've got auto mode. On auto mode, you can just set it to whatever temperature you want, and it'll heat up to that temperature. The temperature goes from 41 all the way up to, it says 95, but it looks like it goes up to 99. And if you hit the mode button one more time, you enter sleep mode. They say that this is made to fully heat a 150 square foot room if this is the only sole heat source. If you were using this for extra heat in a larger room, they say that it can accommodate up to 1,000 square feet. Obviously, there are going to be factors that determine how well it will keep a room that size heated up. So there you go, a lightweight, relatively compact 1500 watt space heater that would be great for the home or the office. You could use it as a wall heater, a garage heater, and with the flip down feet, it can be easily moved to a bedroom, bathroom, or anywhere you want around the house. Very nice.